Open your foot where you feel comfortable and a little bit wider than before. Place your hands on your knee and move your weight to one side. Lower your head down about knee level and swing from right side to left side. And lift your head up. From the left side, lower your head down and move from left to right, then lift your head up. This time we'll do it with breathing. Lower your head down as you swing. It's exhale. Lifting your head up, inhale. Lower the head, swing your head, exhale. Lift the head, inhale. Lower the head, exhale. Move from right to left. Lift the head, inhale. Lower the head, exhale. Lift the head, inhale. Body upright, and place your foot back. This is swing your head and wag your tail. There is a more challenged version of this, the advanced version. After you practice this for a while, you feel strong and does not get dizzy easily. Then we'll try this one. Open your legs wider than before. When the time you bend, you are going to bend your legs more to one. Then when you bend your head down, pass your head lower than your knee, and then move your head closest to the floor as you can. Exhale. When you reach to the other side of the knee, lift your head up. The swinging of the movement is much bigger than before. So exhale, down, swings up to the other side. Inhale, lift head. Down, exhale, swing the head to the other side. Lift head, inhale. Down, exhale, swing your head to the other side. Lift, inhale. Down, exhale. Lift, inhale. Body upright and stand feet back. And this is swing the head to wag your tail.